Hey guys, I'm with my beautiful wife Alison, and she's been a copywriter for almost like 5 years now. So, Alison, can you tell us uh, what is copywriting and why everybody should learn copywriting?
Okay. So copywriting is writing with the intention to get the reader to take a specific action. So the action might be to buy something, to subscribe to your list, or even if you don't have a business, it might even just be to call you back for an interview.
Okay, great. So, um, is copywriting a skill easy to learn?
Copywriting, it depends on what level you want to get to, but anybody can learn copywriting. It's something that we all innately have within us, and we just need to bring it to the forefront.
Okay, guys, so you heard it. Everybody can learn copywriting skill, and copywriting is an income producing skill.
Yeah.
I think you will agree. So we still have copies of the ClickBank copywriting guide below that video. Make sure to grab it, send me your receipt, and I will send you your receipt. Your bonus. Take care. Talk soon.